Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look together at these Diode Dynamics SS3 Max LED fog pod lights with brackets. These 3-inch LED fog pod lights are going to give you bright light with reduced glare for improved visibility and safety. And you're going to be able to mount these virtually anywhere with the included aluminum U brackets that you see here. And then this also does include the hardware to not only install the bracket onto your light, but also to install the bracket with the light onto your vehicle. As you can see on this light that I already have connected to my power source, I do have that bracket connected with the hardware onto this light. Just to kind of give you an idea of what this is going to look like installed. Now this light already has the one of my favorite features here powered on. This is the amber backlight. This is going to be great for a stylish touch or for more visibility when you're not using your main beam. I went ahead and shut my studio lights off here just so you can see what that backlight looks like in low light or dark conditions. I'm going to zoom out just to give you a better idea of what this is going to look like from a distance. So that's really a great feature that this light offers. I'm going to shine this off to the side and activate that fog beam. And as you can see, there's quite a difference there. So there's the backlight, and then there's the fog beam. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to shine this on the wall behind me just so you can get a good look at that beam. That fog pattern beam is going to give you a high intensity light at extremely wide field of view, as you can see there. This light has a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin cool white. So that cool white color is going to match most of your factory lights. It's going to be a very clean, crisp color. It's going to give you a lot of visibility. And this has a raw lumen rating of 7,920 lumens and a measured lumen rating of 3,500 lumens. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn my studio lights back on. And again, that gives you an idea, even with my studio lights, just how bright that fog beam is. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up again. Now, the peak beam intensity that these lights offer is 18,000 candela. And in case you don't know, candela ratings measure the directional light output, and it's how anything related to anything is rated where you want light shining in a specific direction. Lumen ratings are just for omnidirectional output, like your regular light bulbs, where you want light shining in all directions. But for a more detailed description of this rating, you can visit our product page here at our website, or Diode Dynamics provides additional information that you can find. The power draw on that main beam is 3 amps, and on the backlight it's 0.03 amps. And these lights have been designed with a newer technology known as custom TIR optics. TIR stands for total internal reflection. Now, unlike the older technology that uses reflectors or simple projector lenses, which aren't great at focusing all the light where you want it, these custom designed large TIR optics collects and focuses all of the light forward very efficiently. And from there, instead of having another external lens, certain lens patterns have actually been molded directly into the surface of the lens. So that's going to prevent the normal efficiency loss you see with an outside lens. As you probably know, when you shine light through any type of glass or plastic, you could lose up to 10% of that light just from it shining through. So by making it a part of this lens, you're going to pick up some efficiency. Now this does include the industry standard integrated Deutsch style connector, and that pigtail has that connector, and you'll just simply plug it into the back of the light. And then this also has a breather patch on the back of the light that's going to prevent any moisture buildup. And these heat sinks are going to do a great job of dissipating the heat, and that's going to increase the longevity of these lights. Now this light has been built, both of these lights rather, have been built with high intensity LED chips, and they do feature a durable powder coated aluminum construction. The heavy-duty construction is going to withstand things such as extreme temperatures, corrosion, and vibration. And testing is completed to SAE standards, just like your factory lighting components. And in case you didn't know, Diode Dynamics actually designed, engineered, and assembled these lights right down the highway from us at their headquarters here in the greater St. Louis area. Now just some overall measurements of these lights. Looking at the overall width from end to end, we're sitting at about 3¼ inches wide, and from top to bottom it's going to be the same measurement, 3¼ inches tall. And then looking at the measurement from the end of our heat sinks all the way to the front of our light, we're sitting about 2 3/8 inches deep. Now when you add the bracket, as I have on this light, the overall height from top to the base of our bracket, we're sitting at about 3 3/4 inches tall. Now these lights draw a high current, which requires adequately sized wiring for safe operation. So if you're not using a Diode Dynamics wiring harness, you do want to be sure that you're using 16 gauge or larger wiring for safe operation. So this does include everything that you see here. Now we do also have this light available with just one light with a bracket, or one light with no brackets, or both of these lights with no brackets. We have other intensities available, other types available. So if these lights aren't exactly what you're looking for, no doubt we will have what you need from Diode Dynamics here at etrailer.com. You can just check out all those options here at our website. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together has been illuminating for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.